To use Cash App on Amazon, you need to link your Cash App account to your Amazon account. Start by opening the Amazon website or mobile app and signing in to your account. Then navigate to the Payment Options section where you can add a new payment method. Select the option to add a new payment method and choose Cash App as your payment option. You will be redirected to the Cash App website where you need to sign in to your Cash App account. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to authorize Amazon to access your Cash App account. This will allow Amazon to charge your Cash App account for purchases. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the Amazon website or mobile app where you can select Cash App as your payment method for your purchases. When using Cash App on Amazon, keep in mind that you may need to have a sufficient balance in your Cash App account to cover the cost of your purchase. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Cash App, such as instant deposit fees or ATM fees. To avoid any issues with your Cash App account, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support. By following these steps, you can easily use Cash App on Amazon and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. It is also important to note that Cash App is not accepted directly on Amazon, but you can use the Cash App card to make purchases on Amazon. The Cash App card is a free debit card linked to your Cash App account that can be used to make purchases online or in store. To get the Cash App card, open the Cash App mobile app, navigate to the Card tab and follow the prompts to order your card. Once you receive your Cash App card, you can add it to your Amazon account as a payment method and use it to make purchases. Overall, using Cash App on Amazon is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps.